before Accio job getting into the placement side, we have to give three mock interviews. Luckily I have cleared them all in the one shot, like with very good score as well, because I think all of them are above 8. I remember.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So with Accio jobs, I have cleared all the mock interviews. Then I got access to placement sector. I mean placement portal. Then yeah, at the very first the companies like came in, and the very good thing about the Acquia jobs is they will give whatever the status of the application is. I mean, they will call you regarding the status, like even they mail you or they may call you. So that's very very good thing in the placement sector. Like you won't get frustrated, like I have applied these companies but none of them have replied back. But Acquia job is doing very good in this.
Hi everyone. Today we have Rohit here with us, who recently got placed in Lowe's India as a software engineer at 11.5 LPA. So we will get to know about his journey. How exactly did he start this entire journey at Accio job, and then how is he currently feeling to get this opportunity in his hands. So over to you, Rohit. I would really appreciate if you can tell something about yourself to our viewers.
Okay. Hi. Firstly, hi to everyone. Myself, I'm Rohit. Yeah, I recently got placed in Lowe's India with a package of 11.5 as a data engineer. And yes, getting to Accio job is one of the best thing I have done in my life, because there are a lot of things happening before after my graduation. I got stuck with the placements. I was very frustrated and depressed because of I'm not great placed, and I was constantly searching for a website or a course which offers both jobs and course. And I have researched a lot. Like I went to Discord pages and know about the courses, and there is some Reddit pages and then Stack Overflow pages. I went to a lot of things and got to know about Accio jobs. And yeah, as I mentioned earlier, Accio job is a place that everyone have to look. I mean, this is a place where they will teach like a very good stuff. I mean, earlier before joining into Accio jobs, I have been into two courses with Sing Munstack. So for the first one is in Udemy, which is I don't remember the instructor name, but it was very highly rated in the Udemy. If you go and search, it'll be in the dashboard itself, because that's popular. That popularities. And the second course is Ethnos course, and both of these are monster courses. But this course Acadrops is it's not even near to those. I mean, this stuff is like next level. I mean, they teach very basic things to and go to advance. That's like super good. And they also teach DSA, logic implementation, and a lot of stuff. And they also mention about, I mean, they also guide you how to build projects, how to I mean, soft skills, everything. Basically everything. They will constantly monitor you regard with assignments, context, and yeah, a lot of stuff.
All right. Thank you so much, Rohit. It was like you just summed up everything for us. So thank you for that. But before we begin, we move forward, I would like to know what exactly did you do in your graduation? Like, from where did you complete your graduation, and which degree did you pursue in your graduation?
Okay, there is small story. I have to mention this. Basically, I completed my bachelor's in Vellore Institute of Technology. Due to some I mean, sudden surprise, like my grandfather got expired during my sixth semester. Because of that, because of that, I couldn't write one semester exam. There is a policy in VIT that if someone is not right completed his semester exams, then he was not permitted to placements next semester. So I got banned for placement for one semester. So I missed almost 700 companies. VIT is a very big brand. So I almost lost 700 companies for nothing, for nothing. And I was very depressed and frustrated because I started my coding journey in the very first year, and still I was you know got land less. Yeah, got banned. And in the second semester, I mean, in the last semester, I got few companies, but most of those are service based, like Infosys, TCS, And I think that's not me. I mean, I struggled a lot. I worked on the technologies, different technologies like Android development, Munstack development, and I have completed more than 200 questions, DSA questions. Still, I was in the I was without job basically. So that frustrated me. And yeah, in the end, yeah, Aki Jobs is something that helped me out to get my job, and that's a dream job. Lowe's is such a big company, like it's a Fortune 50 company. Imagine you are getting into Fortune 50 company. It's like a dream come true. Yeah.
That's right. So, like, you were not allowed for a single on-campus opportunity due to that.
I mean, I was allowed to take placement, but most of the companies has a criteria, right?
They were both, or they were all service-based companies, and you never wanted to join a service-based company, right?
It's not like that, but I thought I have to first apply the product based, and if it is not good, if it is not going good, then I have to come to service based. Yeah. I mean, I got some offers as well. I got TCS offer, I got Infosys offer, I got Sutherland offer, but yeah, I don't think these are my companies. I mean, it completely depends upon perspective, because I worked on a lot of technology. Still, you are in the service side sector, so I thought you have to give something, and that's where Akijob came in and yeah, helped me out.
Got it. So while you were in your college, right, in the final year of your college, did you try applying off-campus opportunities also, like companies similar to Lowe's? Did you try applying there?
Yes. I have to mention this. During my as I said, during my seventh semester, I was banned in the placements.
Right.
That time, I was frustrated. So I thought, VIT is not only place which gives placement. So I thought going off campus, and applied in LinkedIn, Naukri, and many more websites. But I have applied more than 700 companies roughly. I used a extension for job applications. I don't remember the extension name, but it will I automatically apply jobs for you. But I would hardly say there are only five to six company which got reply positive, but the status of the application was not progressing. I mean, the first they say congratulations, you got shortlisted for the other round, but the next round will not happen actually. That was very frustrating to me. I have applied more than 700 companies in off campus, but nothing is coming to me. And yeah, I
And
initially
seven is a crazy number. I mean, you have that much patience to apply for these many companies is something big in itself, right?
no,
And
as I mentioned,
they just lose hope that if I'm not getting shortlisted, let's say I've applied to 5 companies and I'm not getting any reply from them, I stop searching for jobs. But 700 is like crazy, man. That's
no,
actually
and as I mentioned, extension does job for me. It has something like
applies.
yes, it has something like how many jobs do I have to apply. I would just give maximum number. It is
Okay.
150. I remember. I feel
Got
150.
got
So
it.
it keeps applying. Yeah.
Understood. So now with AccioJob in picture, like you've been through both the situations, right? You were here at AccioJob also. So with AccioJob in picture, how was this entire job hunting thing different now this time?
Just before before Accio job getting into the placement side, we have to give three mock interviews. Luckily I have cleared them all in the one shot, like with very good score as well, because I think all of them are above 8, I remember.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So with Accio jobs, I have cleared all the mock interviews. Then I got access to placement sector. I mean placement portal. Then yeah, at the very first, the companies like came in, and the very good thing about the Acquia jobs is they will give whatever the status of the application is. I mean, they will call you regarding the status, like even they mail you, or they may call you. So that's very, very good thing in the placement sector. Like you won't get frustrated, like I have applied these companies, but none of them have replied back. But Acquia job is doing very good in this. Yeah.
Right. So all these timely updates on your entire what do I say? The entire process, it really helped you, right? And
Yes.
like you mentioned initially in the beginning, you mentioned that there were 2 other courses where you enrolled. So before, like, how did you get to know about AccioJob? Like, who told you that there is AccioJob also where you can get a course and you can enroll and then get placement assistance? How did you get to know about us actually?
Okay, the first moment when I get into Accu job is like I have researched about. I was randomly searching for a very good course which offers both things like Accu job, something like Accu job. I was
Great.
exactly looking something like Accu job, but I don't know what name and what brand it is. But yeah, I have searched for it, and then I went to the reviews of Accu job. It was pretty great. You can even search for it. I mean, the reviews were pretty good in both
Mm,
Reddit and all other pages. So I
right.
thought giving it a shot. Initially I was applied off campus. Placement.acq portal. So
Mhm.
there I have applied few jobs, and luckily I got shortlisted for like I have applied for 5 companies, and I got shortlisted for 3 companies. But
For walking
uh,
course that week, right?
yes,
Okay.
yes, walk-in drives. But yeah, there are numerous. Lot of numbers are applying there as well. So I thought giving course, IK Jobs course would be helpful for me. Then I gave try for it, and yeah,
Mm.
here
So you were in the self-paced course. You enrolled for the self-paced course, right? And it was MERN full stack development, right?
yes, ma'am.
All right. So now for the viewers, self-paced course is also the fast track course that we have, and it's the same course where he enrolled, which helped him to get this opportunity. Now, so when you told your family, right, that I now you were already enrolled in 2 courses before this also, right? Now for the third course, was it difficult to convince your family that this is the third course that I want to try? Were they okay with it? Like, were they supportive?
They were supportive because I think they support me because whatever decision I make that are very genuine, and they trust me because I have done a lot of research on this. And when I'm joining during my demo call with some AccuJob person, like I had a call almost for 3 hours. Three
Mm-hmm.
years, that's a crazy number. I think I asked every detail of AccuJob. So yeah, that's why they are very supportive. They are very supportive regardless.
That's good. So you did your thorough research and then you were like, okay, fine, Accio job seems genuine. And this is
Yes,
something that I was actually looking for, the kind of course that I wanted to enroll in. And then you took the decision to enroll in this course. Got it.
yes.
Now, how exactly Accio job helped you in cracking laws? Like, could you just walk me through the journey and like which timelines basically? When did you enroll? Then how was your entire journey? And how did we actually help you crack laws? I just want to know
Yeah.
that.
Okay, basically, I have enrolled AccuJobs on July 21st. I remember something around that. July
In
21st, 22nd.
right?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. 2025.
Oh my God. Okay.
Yeah, in 2025. Then within 20 days, 20 days, I said, 20 days, I have completed the entire course. Most of the stuff I know already, as I mentioned. Uh, yeah, I have previously done the same course in the choir, but there are a lot of things you have to learn. Very small details which matters. I learned from Job itself. Regarding promises, and there are a lot of stuff like Redux. All these things I have learned using my Job course. So, and then I cleared all the mocks and entered into placement sector. Placement portal. Then, within first 6 days, I remember I got a company called Wordbytes. Luckily, I got shortlisted in the technical round, and then went to I mean. Sorry. Luckily, I got shortlisted in the assignment round, then went to technical round. There, I cleared my technical round and went to HR. Even HR was almost done. Like, you got an offer, but I rejected it because my location is very far from there. I'm from Andhra Pradesh, and the company location is Noida, so it will take around 12 hours
South.
to journey. So, yeah. That is the main reason I rejected it. But yeah, it is a pretty good company. The startup company.
Yes. Right.
It's a very good company. So yeah, that's how my journey. And then Lowe's came in, and yeah, Lowe's came in. I was constantly preparing for Lowe's. I thought Lowe's would be one that you have to get in because it is a Fortune 50 company and very big product based, and like it started in 1921. Yeah, that I thought.
It's from company.
Um, yeah, Lowe's is a one company I have to look after. So I thought prepared thoroughly, and then I cleared exam. Then went to technical round. I was in technical round. Yeah, I have answered almost every question thanks to again Akijo. Because of Akijo, I have answered most of the questions because they gave me confidence in mock interviews. That I have to mention because this is my first interview. I mean, Whatbytes is my first interview, and luckily I got shortlisted. And yeah, mock interviews gives you a lot of confidence. They even the interviewer is from a very good background. Like I think he's from Microsoft. I remember.
Oh.
So yeah, I think yeah, that confidence you have to be. So then I have cleared technical round, and 1 week later I got HR call. Then yeah, yesterday it was loose.
Amazing. So like you joined in 2020 or 21st July. That was your date of enrollment. And today it is 19th September. So it's not even 2 months and you already have an offer letter in hand. The speed with which you achieved all of this is crazy. Like Godspeed. To be honest, this is God. This is what Godspeed is. And that's amazing one. Right? Okay, got it. Now, what was your favorite part? Like the training itself lasted for only 20 days, but like what was your favorite part in this entire journey? Like if I summarize the 2 months, if you were to summarize this entire 2 months, then your favorite part of it.
Okay, my favorite part is React and Redux. Initially I was not aware of Redux. I mean, I know React. I mean, I have developed more than 10 applications using React before entering into Accujo, but I never used Redux in my React. So
Okay.
after getting into Accujob, I learned Redux, and yeah, that's where Redux is something which is a library which makes life easier. And yeah, I loved developing Redux websites now. I think I can't even dream a website without having a Redux. Yeah,
Oh my. Okay. Got it.
yeah,
Then how did your family react when you told them that within the span of 2 months I got this offer letter? How was their reaction to it?
yeah. They are like pretty amazing. I mean, they got amazed first initially. Anyone got cracked job within 2 months is like I think it's very fast. And yeah,
Unbelievable.
yeah, it's unbelievable. So they said like, yeah, you are hardworking, and thanks to AccuJob again, they supported me in rough times as well, because there are a couple of companies which went my side. I mean, uh in AccuJobs, like everything is not your company when even though you are good at everything, but yeah, there are some interests in company as well. So there are rough sides. So I thought then AccuJob may help there as well, because they motivated me to not lose hope on your interests and technology stack. And yeah, that's it.
Got
They,
it.
they
Got it.
are they are amazed. That's my
Well,
thing, I can say.
that's cool. And how do your friends feel about it? Like when you shared that, I got into Lowe's, how was their reaction?
To be frank, my friends are like, during my placements, during my graduation itself, my friends used to say to me, you will definitely get into product based company. You have that kind of technology. You have that uh, technology stack and all DSA stuff. So they always used to say me that you will always get into product based. And when I said Lowe's is one, they are like, yeah, yeah, this is what I'm expecting from you. And I also there are my friends who hasn't got job, and yeah, I have just referred to my some of my friends, and they are already in enrollment, I guess. I mean,
One.
not after getting lows. This I recommended this Akejo before itself.
Acha. Got it. Okay. So any one, like if you were to describe AccioJob and the team here at AccioJob with one word, how will you describe us?
Um, that's like fantastic, fantastic. There is, something superlative. It's not.
Got it. Thank you for that word. Now,
Yeah.
we are almost towards the end of the session. So there are a few questions that I would ask regarding AccioJob itself. So what was that one thing that AccioJob got exactly right in helping you land this role, and one thing that you think that we can still improve?
Okay, so can you repeat the question? I didn't get your question. And
What was that one thing that AccioJob exactly did right in order to help you get placed with Lowe's? And anything that you think that we can still improve ourselves there, like AccioJob can stay.
I mean, one thing, I got into Lowe's because of strong basics in my tech stack, like in Munstack. That is the one thing. AccuJob really helped me. To be frank, most of the other courses, I don't think any other courses which says about how JS Engine works and how Redux works and how Promises works. These are not the things. I mean, these will not be discussed in other courses. This is something AccuJob does. But yeah, when you have strong basics, you can get into any company, I guess.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
So yeah,
that's one
so
thing
your
AccuJob has.
fundamental was basically, very strong when you enrolled here.
Yes. That's where AccuJob helped me to get strong, very strong fundamentals. Not even strong, I mean, I was aced all fundamentals in JavaScript.
Yeah, got it. And anything where you think that we can still improve ourselves?
Okay, I mean, I think some assignments, I would say some very few assignments are outdated because we are now using React ES6, but there are some questions in assignments where questions has been asked in ES5. That is something, but still you have to answer those as well because you have to get knowledge in all the things.
Right. So thank you for that feedback also. I'll share it with our tech team so that, we can change, we can update this. So thank you for that feedback as well. Now, one message that you would like to share with the audience who are listening to you through this video, with the help of this video.
Okay, yeah, I would definitely say if you are looking for the course which offers strong fundamentals and strong DSS skills and also provides the job opportunities, you definitely have to join IKEA Jobs. That's the only thing I can say because there is no course near to IKEA Job. It's like difference between Google and any other company, and that I would say, that's the difference.
All right.
IKEA
I'm sure.
Job is like Google.
Got it. And I'm sure a lot of students will get motivated with this entire journey that you had. There are points where, somebody can actually relate to your story also. That, yes, even I was, the one who went through this similar situation. So if he can do it, I can do it as well, right? So thank you for giving that motivation to our viewers. Now, before we end the session, the one last question that I have is, if you were to describe Accio Job with one emoji, what will that emoji be?
Uh, happy emoji. Even at last you'll get happy no matter what. You are a very beginner to the coding journey, and it doesn't matter. In the end, you will get happy. That's for sure.
All right. Thank you so much for sharing this entire journey with us, Rohit. And it was a very motivational journey. And I'm sure, like just I said, like a lot of people will get motivated with your story, and I'm sure they'll take the right steps that they need to for their placement journeys. Now, before we end the session, I will like to have a quick rapid fire with you. So I will be
Yeah.
giving you choice-based questions. There will be two choices, and within less than 10 seconds, you have to choose one answer, right? I think you've seen it on Coffee with Karan for your
Yeah. Yeah.
right. So we will start with careers and skill category first. So the first question that I have for you is Mernstack or Android development? What is your go-to comfort zone?
I would love to say Android development because when you work with Android development, you'll get more satisfaction when developing websites. That's again subjective to people, but I love to develop Android website and Monster also gives a satisfaction, but yeah,
Yeah.
Android use much more.
Okay, got it. So Android development. Second question that I have is debugging at 2 a.m. or at morning 9 a.m. Which one is tougher for you?
Tougher morning, I would say. Yeah, yes, I prefer night because at nights the everything would be calm and you can fully concentrate. So I would prefer night.
Got it. Okay. Another question that I have is Tailwind or Bootstrap? Who wins the styling battle?
Okay, I would say Tailwind because that makes life a lot easier because pre-built in classes where you can just write class name and get styled immediately. I think
Got
Tailwind.
it. Okay. So I have also been through your resume and I've seen you've worked on a few projects. Now the next few questions will be around your project itself, right? So
Okay.
you made an app, Taste Flow, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes.
And there was another one, Cricket ML project, something related to cricket and machine learning, right? So among these two projects, which one impressed your friends more?
Cricket because data getting a data for the cricket side. I mean, in any sport, getting a data in the sports field is very difficult, and and useful data too. I mean, there are a lot of unused data. I mean, unimportant data in data side. So getting data is a very critical, and making a model of it is much more critical. So
Correct.
I would say, yeah, second.
Okay, got it. Now, if your so this is a situation-based question. If your Android app got featured on Play Store versus your GitHub repo hitting 1K stars, what would make you more happy?
Okay, I would say GitHub Repo, because that's where most of the software developers or most of the developers will recognize you as a much more developer. I think Play Store is something where everyone would look after, so I don't think it will help me. But I mean, it matters in different sites. If you are in a general audience, and I would definitely say Play Store. If you are like coding mentality,
Yep.
if you have mentality, then
Correct.
you will definitely see it.
All right. Now we'll move to some chill questions, right? So, what is your preference? Work from home in pajamas or office with free snacks? What is your vibe?
Work from home, I would definitely say, because I think that will you give you a lot more wings. Like you can do whatever you can, but in office you will be restricted to some things. I mean, snacks. I am very late, and I don't think I need snacks.
Okay. Got it. Makes sense. Now, next
Yeah.
question is Netflix binge or debugging spree? What steals your weekends?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Netflix binge or debugging spree? What steals your weekends? Like, what do you prefer doing on weekends?
Okay, Netflix, obviously, because coming from a South India, you always love to watch movies and series. So Netflix.
All right, so Netflix binge it is. Perfect. So thank you so much, Rohit, for sharing this entire journey and taking time out to come with us, have this fun discussion. And yeah, I wish you all the very best. I mean, this is just the beginning of your career. This is just the first company that you got into, and there are a lot of bigger opportunities waiting out there for you. So all the very very best for them. Go chase all those opportunities, and thank you so much for sharing this with.
Thank you, ma'am. It was very nice meeting you and all Akio people. I can't say thanks is a very small word that I can say. You made my life. I mean, shape my life. You shaped my life.
Thank you so
Getting into lows is a very big thing for a fresher. Getting into lows is a very big thing for a fresher.